Looking for the perfect steam iron to make your clothes look crisp and wrinkle-free? In this video, we'll explore the best steam irons that deliver powerful steam, smooth gliding performance, and reliable results for everyday ironing. Whether you need one for quick touch-ups or heavy-duty laundry, these top picks can help you achieve professional-looking finishes at home. Starting at number 1. Pursteam SteamBurst Plus 1750W Steam Iron. The Pursteam SteamBurst Plus 1750W Steam Iron is a powerful and versatile choice for keeping clothes smooth, fresh, and wrinkle-free. Featuring a 1750W heating system, strong burst steam, and a large 400 ml water tank, it provides long-lasting steam performance for tackling everything from delicate fabrics to heavier materials. The ceramic sole plate offers a smooth glide across garments, while adjustable steam and temperature controls provide better fabric care. With convenient features like self-cleaning, anti-calc, anti-drip protection, and auto shut-off, the Pursteam SteamBurst Plus is designed to make ironing faster, easier, and more efficient for everyday use. Number 2. Oliso TG1600 Pro Plus 1800 Watt SmartIron. The Oliso TG1600 Pro Plus 1800 Watt SmartIron with Auto Lift is a high-performance steam iron designed to deliver safer and more efficient ironing results. Featuring innovative Auto Lift technology, the iron automatically raises when you release the handle and lowers when you grip it, helping prevent accidental burns and fabric damage. Its powerful 1800-watt heating system provides rapid heat-up and strong steam output, while the diamond ceramic flow non-stick sole plate ensures smooth gliding across all types of fabrics. With triple play steam, anti-drip protection, anti-scale technology, a convenient side water tank, built-in spray function, and a long swivel cord, the Oliso TG1600 Pro Plus offers excellent performance for everyday ironing, sewing, and quilting tasks. The included ironing board cover makes it a complete and practical bundle for achieving crisp, professional-looking results at home. Number 3. Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron for Clothes. The Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron DW5280 is a powerful and reliable steam iron designed to deliver professional-quality results at home. With a 1725-watt heating system, it provides strong steam performance with a 135 G/min steam boost and continuous steam output to help remove stubborn wrinkles from different fabrics. Its microsteam sole plate features over 400 steam holes for even steam distribution, while adjustable steam settings allow precise control for materials like cotton, wool, silk, and polyester. The iron also includes a precision tip for detailed areas, anti-drip protection, self-cleaning function, anti-calc system, and auto shut-off for safer and longer-lasting performance. With its combination of power, control, and durability, the Rowenta Focus Excel DW5280 is an excellent choice for efficient everyday ironing. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Allure Professional Steam Iron. The BLACK+DECKER Allure Professional Steam Iron D3030 is a powerful and dependable steam iron designed to deliver smooth, wrinkle-free results with ease. Featuring a 1600-watt heating system and dynamic steam technology, it produces over 30% more steam to help remove stubborn wrinkles from clothing, linens, and other fabrics. Its durable stainless steel sole plate glides smoothly across different materials, while independent steam and temperature controls allow precise adjustments for various fabric types. The iron also includes an auto-clean system to remove mineral buildup, automatic shut-off for added safety, and vertical steaming capability for quick touch-ups on hanging garments. With its combination of performance, convenience, and reliable features, the BLACK+DECKER Allure Professional Steam Iron is a great choice for everyday home ironing. Number 5. Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron. The Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron 1200 Watt is a practical and affordable choice for everyday garment care, offering reliable performance with user-friendly features. Its 1200-watt heating system provides quick heat-up, while the powerful shot of steam function helps remove stubborn wrinkles on both flat surfaces and hanging garments. The mid-size non-stick sole plate glides smoothly across fabrics, and the spray mist feature adds extra moisture to tackle difficult creases. Designed for convenience, it includes an 8-foot 360-degree swivel cord for easy movement, an anti-drip water system to prevent leaks, a precision tip for hard-to-reach areas, and a 3-way auto shut-off feature for added safety. With its combination of simplicity, maneuverability, and dependable steam performance, the Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron is a great option for everyday ironing needs.